Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video I will show you how to upgrade Python on Windows 11. We are going to upgrade Python from 3.14.2 to 3.14.3, which is the recently released version of Python. And you can apply this method to upgrade any version of Python. So let me open command prompt and show you which version of Python I am using. So in the command prompt, I am going to type Python space hyphen version. You can see I am using Python 3.14.2. I am also going to show you which all versions of Python are installed on my Windows 11 laptop. To do that, I am going to type the command py space hyphen list. When I hit enter, it's going to display all the versions of Python that are installed on my Windows 11 machine. Now let's head to python.org website. To do that, open any browser of your choice. I am going to open Google Chrome. Type python.org in the URL bar and hit enter. This is the official website of Python. Hover over downloads and you can see Python 3.14.3 has been released. Once you click on this button, Python 3.14.3 installer will start downloading to the downloads folder. Click on it. You can see the download has begun. You can see the installer has been downloaded. Let's open it. Now, since it's a new version in Python 3.14 series, hence you see upgrade now over here. Clicking on upgrade now will upgrade any version of Python 3.14 series only to Python 3.14.3. It's not going to touch Python 3.13 and Python 3.12. So let's start the upgrade. Click on upgrade now and you can see the installation has begun. I would rather say the upgrade has begun. There you go. It says setup was successful. Let's close the installer. Since the installation is completed, let's check the Python version now in the command prompt. Let's type Python space hyphen version, hit enter, and there you go. Python 3.14.2 has been upgraded to Python 3.14.3 successfully. And if your projects use virtual environments, then upgrading Python like this is completely safe. And that's how you upgrade Python on Windows 11. Clean, safe, and without breaking anything. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to upgrade Python on Windows 11 from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.